In this video, we are going to use partial fraction here. So we'll start with using the partial fraction. So this is, if we have this x, here we have x plus 1 whole thing square. So we have here square. So we have to use the partial fraction of the second type. So how we write this? We write first a constant a, and we divide with the first factor, that is x, then give another constant b, then take the second factor in linear form, that is degree 1, so x plus 1, then again you give one constant, and you give the x plus 1 whole thing square. So we can write this by using partial fraction. We can write this. So you multiply throughout with this. So we have, if you multiply throughout with this, we get here nothing but 1 equal to a x plus 1 whole thing square plus b x into x plus 1, and here you get as cx. So we have to find this. So if I put here 0, then this constant and this constant will be removed. We are left with this. So first of all, I'll take here 0. So put x equal to 0. So if I take x equal to 0, I am getting here as 1 equal to a 0 plus 1 whole thing square. So that is nothing but we get here a equal to 1. So we get the constant a to be 1. In the same way, you try to put x equal to minus 1. Okay, so if you put x equal to minus 1, this term will be 0, and this term will be also 0. So we are getting here 1 equal to minus c. So what is your c? C is nothing but it is minus 1. Now we are left with only to find the constant b. So for finding the constant b, let us comparing the coefficient of x squared. Comparing the coefficient of x squared on both sides. So you compare the coefficient of x squared on both sides. So you compare the coefficient of x squared on both sides. We have now if we compare the coefficient of x squared on both sides, this side there is no x squared, so we have 0. From here we get 1x squared, so ax squared. So a is the coefficient of x squared. From here we get b, so a plus b. So from this equation we can find a. B is silly, b is nothing but minus a, so we get minus 1. So b is equal to minus 1. Now this integration 1 by x plus 1 whole thing square dx can be written as integration a by x. So a by x, so a we got 1, so 1 by x plus minus 1 by x plus 1, b is minus 1, plus c we got here as minus 1 by x plus 1 whole thing square dx. So this you can separate. So if you separate this one, we get here integration 1 by x dx, plus into minus we get minus integration 1 by x plus 1 dx. This you get minus integration. This you can bring up. So if you bring up this, you get as x plus 2 x plus 1 to the power minus 2 dx. So the integration of this is nothing but we have here as log x minus the integration of this you get as log x plus 1. And to integrate this, we have nothing but this is x plus 1 to the power minus 2 plus 1 divided by minus 2 plus 1 plus integration constant. So we get here, we get this is equal to log x, we get a log x minus log of x plus 1, and here we get minus x plus 1 to the power minus 1 divided with minus 1 plus integration constant. This is equal to log x minus log of x plus 1, minus we get plus So since the power is inverse, so you can bring down, so we get 1 by x plus 1 plus integration constant.